This one is the third stage of prophase, which is pekine. Peki means thick, and teen again means the thread. So this condition is when the chromosomes are fully condensed now, and this condition when the two sister chromatids of chromosome are visible is known as dyad condition, and when the four-celled four-chromatid condition when the chromosome overlaps to each other is known as the tetrad condition. As you can see, this diagram is just the simplified view of the chromosomal formation of synapses or bivalent, and this one is the complex diagram where all of the four sister chromatids are attached to each other. Okay, that stage is known as tetrad condition, and the chromosomes are overlapping to each other. For simplification, we just study it like this. Okay, then we have the condition where the recombination starts, and this pectin is the condition where recombination starts with the help of recombination complex, and this recombination complex contain 5 enzymes. The first enzyme in this condition is endonuclease. Okay, which is responsible for cutting the DNA at specific locations. Suppose the DNA will be nicked from here and here. As you can see the red markers. So the DNA, and this will gonna happen on all four sister chromatids. This is again I'm telling you, this is just a simplified diagram. So second will be the exonuclease, and this exonuclease is for forming the gaps. Okay, then the third one comes is unwindase, or you can say topoisomerase, that is responsible for loosening out the supercoiling that is that has happened in the chromosome. The third one is unwindase. Correct out the spelling, N is missing. The fourth in this is recombinase, which will make sure that the ends of the nicked DNA, जो DNA काटा गया है उसके end जो हैं वो नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड के साथ जाकर अच्छे से स्टैक हो जाएं. ठीक है, और चौथा इसमें पांचवा जो है एंजाइम आता है दैट इज लाइगेज, और जैसे ही रिकॉम्बिनेज एंजाइम उन एंड्स को एक दूसरे के आमने सामने रख देता है, लाइगेज एंजाइम उन दोनों के बीच में फॉस्फेट की बाइंडिंग करवाएगा, एंड दैट विल बी द फाइनल कंडीशन व्हेन रिकॉम्बिनेशन कंप्लीट्स. ओके, so these two chromosomes which have transferred their genetic material from one on to the other non-sister chromatids, the chromosomes will now look like this, with this area, this black area that I'm shading right now was earlier present on this chromosome, and it is transferred onto this, and similarly the pink color area which was the genetic material of this chromosome prior, it is now transferred onto this sister chromatid. So this was about the prophase, which is pectin, and as soon as the chromosomal recombination completes, the next stage it will be on the way to completing the meiosis is diplotin. So this is the pectin recombination, and here in the recombination when the tetrad was formed, the synapses was completed, there is a nodule. As you can see in structure 1, there is a nodule present, there is a dense area present with the help of proteins. This area is known as recombination nodules. Okay, and this recombination nodule is the area where genetic material will exchange. तो ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल जो एक्सचेंज होता है, दिस इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंजाइम्स दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू in the previous frames. जहां पर भी सबसे पहले रिकॉम्बिनेशन नोड्यूल बनता है वहां पर सबसे पहला एक्टिविटी होता है एंडोन्यूक्लियस का, और एंडोन्यूक्लियस विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कटिंग द डीएनए, मेकिंग द निक्स, मेकिंग द कट्स, सो दैट जो डीएनए जेनेटिक मटेरियल एक्सचेंज में जा रहा है, जो एक्सचेंज होने वाला है, वो डीएनए बाकी पूरे क्रोमोसोम से सेपरेट किया जा सके। ठीक है, तो सेकंड अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर में जहां पर आप देख पा रहे हैं ये एरिया, तो ये थोड़ा सा जूम्ड आउट एरिया है, थोड़ा सा आप जूम करके इसको देख रहे हैं। इस एरिया में एक्सोन्यूक्लियस की एक्टिविटी है। दैट एक्टिविटी ऑफ एक्सोन्यूक्लियस, व्हाट इट विल डू, इट विल जस्ट फॉर्म द गैप्स, एंड these kind of gaps are formed between after the activity of एंडोन्यूक्लियस। ठीक है, फिर एक तीसरा एंजाइम आता है, एक्सोन्यूक्लियस की एक्टिविटी सेकंड तक हो चुकी है, डीएनए जो है इस तरह से सेपरेट हो चुका है। तीसरा एंजाइम आएगा यहां पर अनवाइंडेज। ठीक, ये अनवाइंडेज का काम है सिंपली इस हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर को कन्वर्ट करना इन दिस स्ट्रक्चर। ठीक है, and as soon as the unwindage performs its activity, the DNA is ready for exchanging the between the two non-sister chromatids, and here comes the two set of, one is recombinase plus ligase. This complete set is also known as R enzyme, and the activity of R enzyme you can see on the fourth diagram, that the chromosome is exchanging the genetic material. Recombinase will facilitate the DNA of one sister chromatid to attach to the second non-sister chromatid, and the lower one is sharing the genetic material with upper non-sister chromatid, and the upper non-sister chromatid is sharing the genetic material with lower one, and as soon as the genetic material arrange itself, ligase enzyme will join the condition, okay, to make it a complete DNA again, but now it is exchanged.